Let's be real, the internet is flooded with get-rich-quick schemes. This is a no-BS guide to making money online. Real tips. You know the ones, promising insane riches with minimal effort. It's tempting, right? But let's cut through the noise. The truth is, making money online takes real work. It's about hustle, learning, and adapting. This isn't about overnight millions, it's about building sustainable income streams. We're going to dive into two powerful avenues, Kindle Publishing and YouTube. Both offer incredible potential, but only if you're willing to put in the effort. Forget the shortcuts. Forget the empty promises. This is about building a real online business. Before we begin, like this video and smash that subscribe button so YouTube notifies you with my next video. Are you in? Let's get started. Look, I'm not going to sugarcoat it. Also, this is laid out in 5 easy steps with no experience or upfront cost needed. So remember to not skip ahead as you will miss out on crucial information. Let's begin. Making money online isn't a walk in the park. It takes dedication, persistence, and a willingness to learn. You'll face challenges, setbacks, and moments of doubt. But here's the thing. It's all part of the process. Embrace the challenges. Learn from your mistakes. The more you learn, the better equipped you'll be to navigate the ever-changing online landscape. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself. Take courses, read books, and connect with others in your niche. Knowledge is power, especially in the online world. The more you put in, the more you'll get out. It's that simple. Step 1. Kindle Publishing is a game changer. It's never been easier to become a published author and reach millions of readers worldwide. The best part? You don't need a fancy literary agent or publishing deal. You have the power to do it all yourself. Here's the basic process. Choose a niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Find a niche that excites you and has an audience. Write your book. This is where the magic happens. Pour your heart and soul into creating a valuable and engaging book. Format your book. Make sure your book is formatted correctly for Kindle. There are plenty of resources available online to help you with this step. Create a killer cover. Your book cover is the first thing potential readers will see. Make it eye-catching and professional. Upload to KDP. Amazon's Kindle Direct Publishing platform makes it easy to upload your book and set your price. Remember, writing the book is just the first step. Next, you need to market it effectively. Step 2. Marketing your book. TikTok strategies. TikTok isn't just for dance challenges and funny videos. It's a powerful marketing tool, especially for authors. Here's how to leverage it for your Kindle book. 1. Create engaging content. Share your writing process. Offer writing tips or give sneak peeks into your book. 2. Use relevant hashtags. Research popular hashtags in your niche to reach a wider audience. 3. Collaborate with other creators. Partner with other TikTokers in your genre to cross-promote your work. 4. Run TikTok ads. Target your ideal readers with engaging video ads that drive traffic to your Amazon book page. Don't underestimate the power of TikTok. It's a goldmine for reaching new readers and boosting your book sales. Step 3. YouTube, building your brand. YouTube is another incredible platform for building a loyal audience and generating income. But it's not just about uploading random videos and hoping for the best. You need a strategy. First, find your niche. What are you passionate about? What do you know a lot about? Choose a niche that you can create content around consistently. Next, research your audience. Who are you trying to reach? What are their interests? Understanding your audience is key to creating content that resonates. Then, create high-quality content. Invest in good lighting, sound, and editing. Your videos should be engaging, informative, and visually appealing. Finally, be consistent. Upload videos regularly to keep your audience engaged and coming back for more. 2 important metrics to keep in mind are CPM, cost per meal, and RPM, revenue per meal. CPM refers to how much advertisers pay for 1,000 views on your videos. RPM is how much you earn per 1,000 views after YouTube takes its cut. Focus on creating valuable content that attracts a large audience, and your CPM and RPM will follow. Step 4. Realistic expectations and delegation. Let's talk about expectations. You're not going to get rich overnight. Building a successful online business takes time, effort, and consistency. Set realistic income goals and celebrate your wins along the way. As your business grows, don't be afraid to delegate tasks. You can't do everything yourself. Hiring a virtual assistant or outsourcing certain tasks can free up your time and allow you to focus on what you do best. Embrace the challenges. Learn from your mistakes and never give up on your dreams. Step 5. Embrace the journey. Kindle Publishing and YouTube are just 2 of many ways to make money online. The key is to find what works best for you, put in the work, and never stop learning. Embrace the journey. It's not always going to be easy, but it will be worth it. And remember, I'm here to support you every step of the way. Now go out there and crush it. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments below. And check this other video out about how to make money using Pinterest. It's very detailed and comes with a Google Doc to take out all the guesswork.